Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Camera Assistant front box and optional mounting accessories. The Camera Assistant front box holds and organizes all the essential tools that a second AC uses on set. The front box is made from premium European beechwood with a natural finish. On the bottom of the box, there are slots on the inside of the legs designed for a standard slate, as well as a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. 4 removable and interchangeable dividers adjust to whatever size needed to accommodate various cine tools and supplies. Various size holes to hold writing implements and other tools, solidly crafted with joints that will hold up under the rigors of film production, featuring finger-friendly smooth rounded edges. Let's check out the 3 different mounting accessories for mounting the box quickly and securely to tripods, light stands, dollies, or tabletops up to 2 inches in diameter. The first accessory is the FrontBox Bracket, constructed from durable aluminum with a sleek black anodized finish. Besides coming included with the Camera Assistant front box, it's available separately to adapt many other items, such as your own custom front box. The bracket comes with a set of 4 M5 bolts, nuts, and washers. To mount the bracket to the front box, just line the bracket up with the pre-drilled holes in the box, push the bolts through from the outside, and secure with a washer, then nut on the inside using a Phillips screwdriver. Our second accessory is the front box mounting plate for the Convi clamp. It's made from high-quality aluminum with a sleek black anodized finish. To attach it to the clamp, just use the 2 included M5 screws and a 3mm hex key. To mount the box, just slide the slots of the front box bracket onto the 2 hanging pins on the Convi clamp mounting plate. The mounting plate features a spring-loaded pin that locks the bracket onto the mounting plate. To remove the box from the clamp, simply pull back the pin and slide the box up until it is free. The last accessory is the fluid tripod head mount. It is also made from high-quality aluminum with a sleek black anodized finish. To attach, simply slide the ends of the mount's 2 posts onto the head's front box mounting screws, then turn the black aluminum sleeves clockwise until it is securely locked in place. The fluid head box mount features the same spring-loaded pin lock as the Convi clamp mounting plate. Sometimes you just have to think inside the box. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, you like to say, never let go.